Introduce highlight features or overview summary for ChwFio WL090 Hdmi transmitter and receiver. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: ChwFio WL090 Hdmi transmitter and receiver is a mini wireless extender supporting 4K input and 1080p output, 2.4 and 5.8 GHz, HDMI 2.0, HDCP 1.4. Frequency 60 millisecond, low latency, HD lossless and stable output, improved picture quality, richer details and low power consumption. 2.4/5.8 GHz dual antenna crossband technology maximizes simultaneous use of both bands, beam-forming focuses and strengthens the Wi-Fi signal. Plug and play, powerful features. No software required. Note: this wireless HDMI extender kit has been paired up and can be used directly with the device. 100% fit work of video call, meeting, watching, report. Ultra HD 1080p quality, Ultra HD output, streaming HD 1080p video and audio with low latency, support 1080p at 60 Hz and below resolution. You can share large conferences, movies, sports event broadcast and more with other nearby devices. Our wireless HDMI video transmitter and receiver, plug and play, no drivers required and any app, 1TX and 1RX up to support 1TX and 4RXs. Unique structure design, perfect with expansion accessories, compact and lightweight, easy to portable, ideal for outdoor shooting, home theater, conference presentation and live broadcast. The HDMI wireless transmitter and receiver is a wireless video transmission system that can transmit high-definition multimedia interface, HDMI, signals from one device to another without using traditional wired connections. ChwFio WL090 Hdmi wireless transmitter and receiver, transmission range 580 feet. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe and press the bell. Select all and press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.